Tonight, 18 people exposed to the hantavirus on a cruise ship are now back on American soil, and one who tested positive is now in a big containment unit over in Nebraska.
Two other people were transferred to nearby Atlanta. Here's Jesse Mitchell with those details.
Aerial cameras captured a couple from the MV Hondius cruise ship arriving in Atlanta in full protective gear before they were taken to Emory Hospital.
One individual was deemed to be symptomatic on evaluation prior to leaving the Canary Islands. One is undergoing treatment and the other one is undergoing further evaluation and monitoring.
Health officials say more than a dozen other U.S. citizens from the hantavirus-affected cruise ship were admitted to the University of Nebraska quarantine unit Monday.
We've been doing symptom monitoring as well as temperature checks. Everyone here is asymptomatic.
At least one who tested positive for the Andes strain of the virus remains in biocontainment for close observation.
We assessed that individual. They are doing well, actually. They currently do not have any symptoms.
The rare Andes variant of the hantavirus linked to the cruise ship outbreak has the potential to spread between people. CBS Evening News anchor Tony DeCopel spoke with Dr. Jay Bhattacharya, director of the National Institutes of Health and acting director of the CDC, about the government's response so far.
Why haven't we seen daily briefings on the hantavirus the way we did around COVID?
You know, the epidemiological risk is very, very different. It is a more deadly disease if you get it. But unlike COVID, it's the way that people get it from person to person is much, much more difficult for that to happen.
Hantavirus symptoms can include fever, chills, and muscle aches, which can take up to 2 months to present themselves. Jesse Mitchell, CBS News, New York.
Jesse, thank you so much. The World Health Organization says the outbreak on board the ship killed 3 people and affected 6 others.
And the cruise ship is now headed back to the Netherlands to be cleaned from top to bottom.